Hi, I'm Alan. This is my wife, Annie. Both of us together, we run Dynotex Inc. We are in Greenpoint of Brooklyn. We are a cut and sew contracting company. I personally have been in this industry since 1974. And through the 40 years, I've worked with various companies, both in Hong Kong and here. And I've learned a lot about the whole manufacturing process. So we serve some major brand names, but we also work with a lot of startups and small to medium business. After we enroll in Maker's Row, we experience a lot more inquiries. We provide them with all the information they need so that they understand where they are at. Usually what I do is I prepare a set of templates to answer their questions. Because usually their questions are like, what's your lead time, how much it costs to make a pattern, how much it costs to make a sample. So for those, we can pretty much prepare some kind of a FAQ list and give them the answers. We spend a lot of time trying to tell them as much information as possible. What's the process down the road, what's the expected cost along those processes, so that they don't have much surprise. I mean, there will be some surprise that we cannot cover, but as much as possible, we try to mention that beforehand. What we would like to get usually is about 300 pieces per style. That means within a style, you can have about 3 colorways and about 5 sizes. But we understand a lot of startups have problem trying to make 300 pieces per style in the beginning. So if they want to make 100, that's okay with us. There may be some upcharges involved depending on the size of the program. I have some customers that are really demanding, and I would say I love the process and I hate the process. Because you love it because they are creative. They think of things that we don't think of, and we would not do it that way. But they said, why don't you do it? It's not that it cannot be done, but I never done it because no one asked me to do it. Through that process, sometimes you discover some way to do things differently can be very beneficial, and that's very rewarding for us. Yeah, my advice to the beginners is do more research. The Maker's Row has a lot of these short essays, short courses that tell the beginner how to look for a good factory, what to look for in a factory, where to get materials. I think they should read a lot of those and try to get themselves, familiar with the industry.